Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install PHP 8.0 Apache web server Mysql 8.0 on your Ubuntu 22.04. This is latest release Ubuntu 22.04. This is my server IP address, operating system, RAM, virtual CPU, disk, Mysql version, PHP version, service, LMAP. Now I am checking server version and IP address. This is Ubuntu 22.04. This is my IP address, and must be your server update and upgrade using this command. Update and upgrade done. Now install web server Apache and Mysql server. Press enter, press again enter. Mysql database and Apache web server installation done. Now install dependency package, CS certificate and HTTP apt transport HTTPS. Press enter, press enter. Now install PHP, add repository. Press enter to add this repo. Add repo done. Now update this repo. Then install Apache, leave Apache 2 mode PHP 8.0. Now install some another package, leave Apache 2 mode FC GID and PHP FPM package. Now enable A2 mode proxy and then A2 mode FTM, then restart Apache service, and then install PHP Mysql, leave Apache mode PHP. Installation done. Now testing PHP is working properly. Now add PHP info code into my root directory and then restart Apache and restart Mysql service, and then check using this file server IP address. The status is working fine. PHP is 8.0.22 is working fine. This is my 8.0.22. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.